that wondrous. Beautiful bit of kit.
Was it? Yeah, I'm not too sure.
Lovely, lovely. Well, I bet you miss a B series sometimes.
It's been a while since we worked on one, ain't it? To be fair, everything just goes K series, don't it? Yeah, lovely red EK came to us. I dropped it off yesterday. Stopped in a hotel overnight. Obviously in for maps this morning.
Isle of Man.
Isle of Man, yeah, good travel.
Isle of Man. Isle of Man.
Good travel anyway. Either way,
yeah, for sure.
So yeah, he's got a S300 board. Or ECU and S300 board from Tegua. So we fitted that this morning and obviously just basically started making a tune from stock. Pretty much a stock B16. Got a bit of an induction kit on there, like 4-to-1 manifold, 2.5-inch exhaust, sort of general bolt-ons. He's got a set of cams in there, and we've tuned from there. He said he couldn't, basically every time he drove it, if he got it on VTEC, it just bogged down and wouldn't go through, so it wasn't driving particularly great, obviously, but it was unmapped with a set of cams in. And then obviously we've tuned accordingly on the S300, so it all went well. It takes a little bit longer than sort of, I suppose, what we're used to nowadays doing. The EP3's got a million bass files for EP3s and FN2s that you always in the ballpark at start, whereas with this, obviously, you know, it's been a long time since we've done them. I think, to be honest, when we were doing these last, we were doing them on Chrome and doing chip tuning and whatever else, so all that stuff's gone by the way now. We haven't got a lot on S300. I think the last one we did was a B18 forged sleeve turbo build with 500 brake horsepower, so we haven't got a lot of data to sort of start with, so it is really starting
same science though, isn't it, Richard?
Oh, exactly the same science. It's just, physically takes takes longer to get where you need to be. But
I've enjoyed listening to it today. Sounds aggressive. It's a B16, isn't it?
Yeah. So we're
finished on 175.
175 we finished. I think it's really well. They're 160 stock. It's got a few bolt-on mods and it's got a set of cams in there, so I'm pretty happy with that. I think that there could be slight improvements on the induction kit, a little bit small, 2.5 inch, so maybe there's a little bit to be gained there, but probably not.
Don't they have a whale cock on them usually?
Yeah, that's what I mean. Like, it's sort of that sort of induction kit generally, but yeah,
you had one of them, did you?
I've had one of them before, yeah. The carbon Kevlar ones. But yeah, it didn't.
He used to have a whale cock, but it's his age now.
Yeah, it's shrinking.
Yeah, wicked.
I ain't got anything to lose. But anyway, that's a whole different story.
I'll decide that, mate.
Yeah. Right, shall we have a look at this graph?
Let's look at the graph.
There we have it, lads. That's the end result at 175, 174, 150 at the wheels. Yeah, really nice to see something a little bit different. I know it's a common engine and stuff for these cars, but it was a right treat, is what I would say. Right treat. Engine bay looks stunning, doesn't it? Absolutely stunning. Yeah, so like and subscribe and all that jazz. Don't forget, if you've got a modified car and you need modified car insurance, you can save a load of money by going to Greenlight and mentioning Dynodaze. And once again, if you need oil, it's a Honda, isn't it? If you're checking your oil every Saturday and you need oil, you can always go to worldoflubricant.co.uk and bang in the code Dyno at the checkout. Save yourself a fortune. It's all good stuff. Look at that. Blessed we are to be able to work on the stuff that we love. Many thanks. We'll see you all soon, won't we, Rich?
We will indeed.
We will indeed. What a beauty.
Ready to elevate your ride? Dynodaze Performance Parts has you covered. From exhaust to ECU remaps, we offer top-tier parts for peak performance. Our experts provide personalized tuning to match your driving style. Join our community of enthusiasts. Join thousands who trust Dynodaze for their performance needs. Visit DynodazePerformanceParts.com and transform your drive today.